We welcomed the truck a little bit earlier. We've got the storage space and we've started to unload the truck. It drove all night to get here, and ultimately we've got lots and lots of stuff that we're unloading. You can see this is all for the Nepal earthquake relief, and I'll take you inside just a second. You can see the amount that we've had. It's taken a couple of days work. Just take you in. There's the pots. You can see everything that we are doing for the earthquake relief. This is setting up a lunga. We will be setting up a lunga today, which is very well needed. And this is the local MP.
Hi. I'd like to welcome KhalsaAid to my district Jadakot. And thank KhalsaAid from the bottom of my heart. I think they are starting their operation from today. They will be feeding approximately about 500 to 1,000 people per day for the next month. And then depending on the need assessment that they do, they will be further providing tents and blankets and whatever is required for the people of Jadakot. So I thank you very much, KhalsaAid. Thank you.
Thank you.
Best of luck to you all.
You can see very important work. Just take you inside once again. See, everything's ready, and we'll be on site setting up the lunga. To give you some idea of the areas that we are having to access, you can see the mountainous areas around us, and we are going into the remote areas. So this is going to be very difficult, but we finally got it together and we should be starting today. Vaha Guruji Ki Khalsa, Vaha Guruji Ki Fateh.